Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Lofted bend command is discussed here. Guys, Solidworks lecture second is discussed here, and Solidworks sheet metal design learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And guys, Lofted bend command is very important, and this is a very important role this is a very important play a role new create a design. Okay. Lofted bend is very important. Okay, at first open a CATIA software, and okay guys, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a Lofted command. Lofted command is some basic definition and some basic point is learn here. Create a sheet metal parts between two sketches using a loft feature. Loft feature at first drawing a two sketches and then use a lofted bend. Okay, at first create a two lofted features. Okay, means at first draw any simple 2D geometry and then click a lofted bend, and this lofted bend is work here. Okay, at first select a plane is a top plane is better, and select a two plane is created here at first. Okay, and distance between 30-40 is better. Okay, 50 is correct. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK. At first create a two plane and then use a lofted bend command is used here. Okay, at first draw any geometry is one by one. At first lower plane is select here and draw any geometry. Okay, select a center rectangle is draw here, and select a fillet point is a this is a, and 10 is better, also 12 is correct. Click OK. This is a perfect body. Okay, and again draw a select a corner rectangle and draw a middle plane is okay. This is a correct, and some this distance is a draw here is 8 is correct. Okay, and some point is trim here. This point is trimmed, and also this is a trimmed. Okay, this is a, and both line is a use a construction and help. This is a also delete here. Okay, this two line is a only help a, this is a gap is very important, use a sheet lofted bend. Okay, and another plane is exit. Okay, another plane is select here, and and this is a normal. Okay, and draw any circle is drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and mention any diameter is drawing here is 90 is correct. Okay, and this both two line is press a control button, and both two line is select here and click a convert entities, because two line is also draw here. Okay, and also both line is select here, press a control button, and this is a for construction line, because this is a usable. Okay, and also trim this portion. Okay, both is correct. This portion is not delete here. Okay, only one side is delete here. and exit. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is drawing correct, and use a sheet metal parameters and click a lofted bend. Okay, and at first a lofted bend is manufacturing method is two type. First is bend and second is format. At first click a format and then bent is okay. At first learn here a format, click a format and click first point and then second point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. And okay, this board is a thickness is also 2 is better. Okay, this is a thickness is also, click here, this is a correct. Okay, gap is a very important, and gap is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and plane is hide. Okay, plane is also hide. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and other is, this is a edit, and next point is a okay, this is a okay, this is a correct, and undo is okay, this is a perfect, and click a lofted bend. Okay, and this is a bent means okay, all is a correct. At first point is, and this is a second point. Okay, this is a perfect, and all point is a one by one is change here, and this is a this point is okay, this point is highlighted. Click to a specify self facing option. Okay, click to a specify self facing options. This is a very important, and also click and use a chord tolerance, and this is a number of bends, this is a segment length, and this is a segment angle. One by one is also change here. Okay, okay, and this is also, you can see here, this is a chord, and this is a number of bend is a 2, facet value is okay, this is a more, but 3 is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a correct, this body is a correct, 3 is correct, and okay, segment length is okay, this is a okay, and segment angle change here. Okay, segment length is also change here, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking here. Okay, this is a, and number of bends also, this is a more, but 3 is correct. This is a chord tolerance. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, click. Okay, this is a okay, not showing here because so 1.5 is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, chord length is a better. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is discuss here this lofted bend, and bent is also discuss here, and this is a format is correct. Okay, and some okay, this is a perfect color is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. So nice looking here. Okay guys, next lecture is lofted bend is also discussed here, and today is okay. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, and guys, some advanced point is remaining here and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted bend. Some important point is discussed here. A bent point is discussed here and lofted bend is a some advanced point is discussed here. Okay guys, this previous lecture is also discussed here. A basic point lofted bend is discussed here, and this lecture is a some advanced point is discussed here. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is Solidworks software interface, and at first previous lecture this geometry is discussed here, and this point is this geometry is used some lofted bend is advanced point is discussed here. Okay guys, lofted bend is click here. Okay, some bent point is click here, bent point is click here, and all is a bent option is pop up. Okay, and click this body, this point select, and also this point is select here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and all highlighted point is very important because is all is a changeable, and this is a chord tolerance. Okay, and this is a number of beads, this is a segment length, and this is a segment angle. 4 point is also very important point, and all is a changeable. Okay, this refer to end point, click here, and this point is a also 1 2 3 4 5 6, but refer to end point is click, then all is a 4 point. Okay, all is correct, and number of beads is 3. Okay, this is a this body 2, but 3 is better, and 4 is 4 is allow here, and length is also increase and decrease. Sit metal parameters length, this is a also increase and decrease. This is a perfect, and all is perfect. This is a segment length. This is a looking so nice, and length is increase and decrease. This is a correct. Segment angle is also changeable, but chord tolerance is perfect. Click this is a perfect. And background is also, and color is so nice, this color is better. This is a perfect, click and metal, and also okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a cartoon is apply here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this plane is hide. Okay, this is a also hide. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, Lofted bend is complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.